Very good morning and welcome to the lecture series of Principal Communication Engineering, Sem 4, second year Electronics and Telecommunication. In this lecture series, we start with the module number 3, angle modulation and demodulation. In previous lecture, we discussed about the deviation ratio, then bandwidth requirement for angle modulation, and narrow band and wide band FM. Today we will read the how to generate frequency modulation by using various modulators. So first we see the varactor diode modulator, then FET reactance modulator and stabilizer AFC. AFC stands for automatic frequency control system. So let us see one by one. So first we focus on the varactor diode. Varactor diode modulator. A varactor diode modulator is variable couplable diolator or tuning diode. So this is a variable capacitor or variable coupled diolator. A varactor diode is a semiconductor diode whose junction capacitance varying linearly with the applied voltage when the diode is reverse biased. So the basic principle working of this varactor diode on the basis of junction capacitance varies linearly with the applied voltage when the diode is connected in reverse bias. It may also used to produce the frequency modulation. Varactor diodes are certainly employed infrequently together in reactance modulator with to provide automatic frequency correction in FM transmitter. So the block diagram of the varactor diode will be see here. This is to oscillator tank circuit, capacitor, varactor diode, inductor, RFC coil, CBRF, minus VB so here audio frequency input given and output is given to the oscillator tank circuit which generates the FM modulation. So here is a varactor diode. This is connected in the circuit in reverse bias, so which generates. So varactor diode certainly employed in frequently together with the reactance modulator to provide automatic frequency correction in FM transmitter. In this circuit shown, this is the figure A, varactor diode modulator. Which generates a FM frequency shown in the modulator. The modulator varies modulating voltage and it is series with the junction capacitance will also vary and causing does have the oscillator changes according to this. So the working of this according to the voltage of the applied. Junction capacitance will also vary causing the oscillator frequency to change accordingly. Although this is the simplest reactance modulator, and one of the drawback or disadvantage by the two terminal device application somewhat limited, so it is often used for the automatic frequency control and remote tuning. So advantage of this varactor diode, advantages of varactor diode modulator: low cost design, simple circuit, and drawbacks or disadvantage. Disadvantages of varactor diode modulator. Drawbacks of this disadvantage by using two terminal device, its application is some limited. So due to the two terminal device, the application is very limited. Application area is very limited. That is a drawback of this varactor diode modulator. And where it will be used, this varactor diode modulator, so in remote sensing circuit, remote tuning circuit or remote sensing circuit, or used in automatic frequency controller. So application of varactor diode modulator: a varactor diode modulator will be used in for automatic frequency control, and second one is a remote tuning. So these are the application of varactor diode. Now then we go next is the FET reactance modulator. Reactance modulator means consists of capacitor and inductor. So next modulator is FET. Second one modulator in the generation of FM. FET reactance modulator. One of the various methods providing the voltage variable reactance which connected across circuit of an oscillator, most common reactance modulator is a varactor diode, or another is a FET reactance modulator. The basic circuit of FET reactance modulator, which will be shown in this figure, which consists of FET, resistance and capacitor. Here is a applied voltage at terminal AA. Here is a drain, gate, source terminal. R is a resistance. Vg is a voltage across gate and source. I with the current. I current. Here is the input impedance, that is Z, and voltage will be applied from this, applied at terminal AA is V. So this is a figure A, FET reactance modulator. The provide that certain simplest condition are met, impedance Z is seen to be input terminal AA, almost entire a reactive. The circuit shown is the basic circuit of FET reactance modulator, which behaves three terminal reactance that may be connected across the tank circuit of the oscillator to be frequency modulated. It can be made inductive or capacitive by simple component change. The value of this reactance is proportional to the transconduction. So value of this inductance, or reactance is maybe the value of this reactance is proportional to the transconductance of the device, which can be made to be dependent on the gate bias and its variation. So the output of the voltage is depending upon the gate bias voltage and its variation. Note, FET is used to explanation or the in identical reasoning we would apply the bipolar transaction in vacuum. Indeed, there is a most efficient way how to generate the FM by using the FET reactance modulator. It may be act as a capacitive reactance or inductive reactance depending upon the small value of the change. So what are the advantages? So sufficient frequency deviation, advantage of FET reactance modulator. First one, the sufficient to frequency deviation. It generates a sufficient frequency deviation, which is very requirement in the FM transmission. Second one, simple in circuit. Simple circuit design is very simple, only FET and capacitor are component. And drawbacks or disadvantage, we can say drawbacks or disadvantages of the FET reactance modulator. The poor frequency stability. So poor frequency stability. Now, so this is the drawbacks of your FET reactance modulator. So this type of circuit will be implemented in the generation of FM transmission. Now then we go to the next is a stabilizer reactance modulator, that is AFC. Stabilizer reactance modulator, that is AFC. AFC stands for automatic frequency control. Automatic frequency control. A stand for automatic, F stand for frequency, and C stand for the control. Although oscillator which is in reactance modulator operated cannot in crystal control, it never themselves have stability in crystal oscillator. If it is bent to be part of the commercial transmitter, they suggested that the frequency stabilization of the reactance modulator is required, since it is very similar to the automatic frequency control system. AFC will be considered the block diagram of typical AFC, which will be shown. A typical AFC transmitter will be seen here. Here is a reactance modulator. Then master oscillator. Then buffer. Then limiter. Then FM out. Which is given to the mixer. And here consists of crystal oscillator, which generate frequency F0. Crystal oscillator. Mixer generate a frequency of difference between the FM output frequency and crystal frequency which is generated here. Then intermediate frequency amplifier, and last is a discriminator. Here audio input frequency is given to the reactance modulator AF in from this. Here the arrow indicates the operation. So this is a typical transmitter automatic frequency system, automatic frequency control system. As can be, reactance modulator operated on tank circuit. On LC oscillator, it is isolated a buffer whose output goes to the amplitude limiter to power amplification by the class C amplifier, which is does not shown in this figure. A fraction of output is taken by from the limiter, which is fed to the mixer. Also receives all the signals from the crystal oscillator. The resulting difference signal has been frequency usually about 120 of the master oscillator is amplified and fed to the phase discriminator. The output of the discriminator is connected to the reactance modulator and provides a DC voltage correct automatically and drift to the average frequency of the master oscillator. So working this as seen, first here a reactance modulator operated on tank circuit. This reactance modulator, it is isolated by buffer is provided whose output goes through the amplitude limiter to power amplification by the class C amplifier. The fraction of the output is taken by the limiter. The output of the fraction limiter is fed to the mixer, which is also receive the signal from the crystal oscillator. Here mixer receives the two inputs, one from the crystal oscillator and second one is a limiter, and the frequency which is usually the resulting difference signal is generated by the mixer, which has frequency usually about 120th of the master oscillator frequency is amplified and fed to the phase discriminator. Here is the phase discriminator, and the output of the discriminator is connected to the reactance modulator and provides a DC voltage to correct automatically and it drift in the average frequency of the master oscillator. So this is the working. The timer of constant diode load is discriminator is quite large and it is of order 100 millisecond. Hence the discriminator will react slow changes in incoming frequency but not normal frequency change to the frequency modulation. So note, the discriminator must be connected given positive output. If the input frequency higher than the discriminator, the tune frequency is negative of the output is lower. Consider what happened in the frequency master oscillator. Drifts high. If the higher frequency will be eventually fed to the mixer, since the output of the crystal oscillator must be considered as a stable and correct frequency difference which should be existent between two oscillation, and input frequency is now somewhat higher, the output discriminator positive voltage, this voltage fed to the series with the input reactance modulator and therefore the increasing the transconductance, and the output of the capacitance reactance modulator is given by C equal to transconductance into RC, and at course increasing, therefore the lowering the oscillation center frequency and frequency which is rise in activity corrected the master oscillator, and negative corresponding voltage obtained from the circuit, and the oscillator increase the corresponding. This is the correct DC voltage increase fed to the varactor diode connected to the across the oscillator and AFC only. So this is the alternative amplifying DC voltage feeding system which will be seen here. So this is all about the three devices which will work, such as varactor diode modulator, FET reactance modulator, and stabilized AFC circuit system. So in this lecture we are dealing with the three modulators: varactor, FET and AFC. So we can stop here. Thank you very much.